Hey there, welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many of us face in the tech world. So the issue at hand involves a server crashing due to memory allocation failure after a software update. The user noticed a discrepancy in memory usage between servers when checking the buff cache values. Monitoring didn't account for this, leading to the confusion. But fret not, there's a solution to this conundrum. Now, let's dive into the solution for this memory dilemma. By using the fincore command, you can uncover which blocks are currently stored in the cache. The output provides insights into cached pages, sizes, and percentages for various files. This information can help you understand what data is consuming memory in the buff cache, shedding light on potential optimizations. Definitely a handy tool to have in your troubleshooting arsenal. Continuing with the solution, we have another nifty trick up our sleeves. By writing to the processvm drop_caches file, you can prompt the kernel to release clean caches, dentries, and enodes from memory, effectively freeing up space. While this action can aid memory management and benchmarking, it comes with a performance trade-off. So, use it judiciously to maintain a balance between system responsiveness and memory utilization. To wrap it all up, we've explored how to identify and manage buff cache memory usage on servers effectively. Remember, understanding memory allocation is key to maintaining system stability and performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.